Introducing Okiya Omtatah, the Litigation Oracle, codename the Legal Firewall, the courtroom gatekeeper, king of perpetual injunctions, CABAL arena, unmasking the most beloved barricade. He walks with the law, speaks in rulings, and fights in judgments. But behind the robe of justice lies the mask of managed dissent. Enter the master of selective salvation, Okiya Omtatah, the Litigation Oracle. Psychological profile. Omtatah is a judicial illusionist, a civil society demigod, clad in procedural scripture. He is not the enemy of the cabal. He is its best insurance policy. He converts national outrage into legal paperwork. He extracts kinetic rebellion and recodes it into case numbers. He is the high priest of judicial pacification, convincing the public that litigation equals justice, while time quietly eats the outrage alive. He is not a threat to tyranny. He is its bureaucratic timeout. He files, he wins, he appeals, he delays. By the time justice arrives, the memory has decayed and the public sedated. Civil society. Function. To NGOs, Omtatah is a saintly avatar, a symbol of non-violent resistance, of intellectual protest. But under the hood, he is the legal firewall between the regime and real confrontation. His selective litigation creates controlled hope. He never files the fatal blow. He avoids explosive cases with geopolitical reach. He focuses on spectacles, not structural detonations. He fights utility bills, but not sovereign capture. He contests procedures, not patronage states. He's the hero of the delay, not the revolution. Intelligence alignment. A well-positioned source within Kenya's civil litigation circles refers to Omtatah as Case Custodian Alpha, a gatekeeper appointed by global NGO consortiums to filter and absorb national anger. Linked to international legal foundations operating in Nairobi, supported quietly by donor-funded constitutional watchdogs. Whispers of connections to foreign embassies where protests are translated into governance improvement metrics. His power lies not in justice. His power is in the illusion of pursuit. He is the one-man protest prevention unit, ensuring no legitimate legal revolution ever scales into national destabilization. He de-energizes revolt by pretending it has already been filed. Strategic role in the cabal. Omtatah doesn't sit in the cabal, but he vaccinates it. He files lawsuits that temporarily satisfy civil rage, then lets the courts slow walk them into irrelevance. He absorbs protest momentum, turning revolution into paperwork. He is the legal laundromat through which mass resistance is sterilized. The middleman of systemic delay, the fire extinguisher of organized fury. The symbol of perpetual struggle with no endgame. His rise to senatorial power and whispers of presidential ambitions signal a new evolution. From gatekeeper to figurehead, from buffer to ballot, from resistance actor to system-ordained redeemer. If successful, Omtatah would become Kenya's first president of controlled outrage, a democratically elected peace virus. Geopolitical placement. Make no mistake, foreign funders love him. He's the ideal symbol of African agency that never threatens Western economic architecture. He never challenges international debt capture, avoids naming Western corporate culprits, frames the state as broken, but never the system as designed. He is the NGO industrial complex perfect firewall, credible, incorruptible, but ultimately containable. Darkest secret. He's the hope broker in a doomed system. He knows justice isn't coming. He knows the rulings are performative. But he believes the ritual matters more than the result. He is not bought. He is programmed. And yet, his danger is real. If the CABAL ever loses him, the illusion shatters. If he ever snaps and actually fights to win, the legal arena could become a war zone. But that's the gamble they're willing to take. As long as he files, the people won't fight. This is not a rebel. This is the chief of controlled resistance. This is not lawfare. This is litigation, theater. This is not hope. This is the anesthetic before betrayal. This is Okiya Omtatah, the Litigation Oracle.